transforming your daily meal prep, large family dinners, and holiday hosting into a streamlined, elegant cooking experience without cluttering your counters with multiple appliances usually means transitioning to an advanced, high-capacity French door culinary system. The Emeril Lagasse 26QT French door multifunction air fryer toaster oven redefines countertop versatility by combining restaurant-grade capacity, precision 360-degree convection heating, and the effortless luxury of single-pull French doors. The primary technological breakthrough centers on its high-performance dual-speed convection fan paired with 360-degree superheated air circulation. Instead of dealing with uneven hot spots or soggy food in traditional cramped baskets, this system circulates rapid, high-intensity heat to lock in juices while delivering an ultra-crisp, golden finish with little to no oil. Performance and everyday versatility streamline everything from quick after-school snacks to full-scale multi-course roasts. Outfitted with a massive 26-quart capacity, the interior easily accommodates a full 12-inch pizza, a 6-pound rotisserie chicken, or multiple baking racks at once. Day-to-day usability is supercharged by up to 25 digital preset cooking functions, covering air frying, baking, roasting, rotisserie, slow cooking, dehydrating, toasting, and more. An intuitive digital touchscreen control panel, elegant glass French doors that open simultaneously with a single pull, an integrated interior light for effortless food monitoring, and an automatic shut-off safety feature. Things to consider before you buy: countertop footprint and clearance. Because of its expansive 26-quart rectangular interior and side-swinging French doors, it requires a generous amount of permanent counter space and clearance compared to compact vertical air fryers. External heat radiation. Like most high-wattage countertop ovens capable of reaching high temperatures, up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, this stainless steel exterior can get warm during extended cooking cycles, requiring proper breathing room beneath upper kitchen cabinets. So, who is this really for? This multifunction French door oven is an absolute home run for large families, home bakers, and passionate hosts who want to completely replace their traditional wall oven for everyday meals, cook massive portions in a single batch, and enjoy the convenience of a rotisserie and air fryer in one gorgeous machine. If you live in a tiny studio apartment with minimal counter space or only cook single portions, a smaller, dedicated basket-style air fryer will better match your lifestyle. Is it worth the money? If you value an expansive 26-quart capacity, up to 25 versatile cooking presets, professional rotisserie and convection capabilities, stunning stainless steel aesthetics with French doors, and the ability to cook for 4 to 6 people effortlessly, it is a premier kitchen upgrading investment.